Good evening, Professor. My name is E.Prado, and today I'll be demonstrating my database project for CSE 3153 database systems. So for this project, I built a relational SQL Server database with a university theme and then connected it to Visual Studio using the C# language. So first, looking at the database setup in SQL Server Management Studio 22. So I used a custom schema known as University instead of the standard DBO schema. And I also designed 5 related tables to track data. We have departments, professors, courses, students, and then finally enrollments. Each of the table has defined primary keys as well as multiple foreign key relationships that are connecting them together. And I also added not null constraints on the critical data fields. And if you observe at the bottom of the script, you can see where I seeded each of the 5 tables with sample data. So we're going to go ahead and execute this right now. Show that it runs well. Query executed perfectly, successfully. Okay, looking good. Now moving over to Visual Studio for our C# console application. The instructions do specify that the application should fail if the database does not exist. So I'm going to add fake right up ahead and then execute this project. All right, window pops up. And what you will see is that the application will run its verification block, but will fail to open a live collection. As you can see here, there's an error message. Do not proceed to the main menu. So we're going to go ahead and correct this, go back to University Database, and run this one more time. And we will see that the application is now running. And because it is inside of a main menu loop, it will stay open until I manually choose to exit with option 6. So we're going to go ahead and test the 5 actions. So option number 1 is going to show a list of the students that we have. So we have Alice, Bob, and Charlie. Now for option number 2, we're going to add a new student. It's going to prompt us to enter a first name. I'm going to go ahead and say John. Last name, Doe. Okay. New student added directly, and we can confirm option number 1. It shows right there the 4 students. Okay. Now we're going to add another student. And for this one, we're going to call him Mark. And last name, Lopez. New student added directly. Just to confirm again, we're going to view the students. And then as you can see there, we have our class roster. We have 5 students. Now for delete, I'm going to hit option 4. And now we're going to choose to say goodbye to Mark Lopez, student ID number 5, student removed. Okay. Now we view students. Just to confirm this, we will see that we only have 4 students, Alice, Bob, Charlie, and John. So we no longer have Mark with us. So finally, for option 5, this generates an advanced metric report, runs an inner join across the departments, professors, and courses tables, and it aggregates the data using a group by clause to calculate exactly how many active courses each department is hosting. Okay. And just to prove that this is not just mock data, what we're going to do is go back to SQL Server Management Studio, and then we are going to new query right here. Okay. And then select from university.students semicolon. And then when we execute this, we will see right here that all of our changes match and that they are live. So now to exit this manually, going to go ahead and just select option number 6, closing system session, and goodbye. So thank you so much, Professor, for your time, and thank you.